Hey, today I'm unboxing the Ultraboost 5.0 NASA shoes, I think it is. This is not really the type of unboxing you would usually find on my YouTube channel, but I thought this was something cool to share with you guys. Adidas really outdid themselves with this box. Basically, I'm not really into sneakers that much, but basically I think Adidas and NASA have some kind of collaboration for the Ultraboost material, and then they do collabs like this sometimes, and this is a special NASA edition Ultraboost 5.0 shoe, but basically it's priced the same as the normal Adidas 5.0. It just comes with this really cool box about the Artemis mission to the moon. There are a bunch of NASA and Artemis symbols all around the box. It's in this little checkered style, which is like for drawing some blueprints or something. On the back there is this artwork of, I guess, how they plan to conduct the mission. I'm not fully sure about that. And there is some text which you can read. It basically talks about, I guess, the goddess Artemis, which is apparently the goddess of the moon in the Greek mythology, and also about their collaboration, I guess, with NASA on working on the Ultraboost material. I got the shoe in UK 10 or a European 45. Ultraboost shoes are generally kind of expensive, but this one wasn't especially more expensive. Actually, I think it was on sale. I guess no one is buying these, even though they're actually kind of cool for people who care about this stuff. And yeah, they are even wrapped, like when you open them, they're wrapped in this paper, which is actually like not just normal packing paper, but it has this little like satellite on it or something, which is kind of cool. I guess it's not the satellite, it's what they want to send on the mission, I guess. I'm sorry if I'm completely like not correct about half of this stuff. I'm honestly not. Yeah. So these are the shoes. They look very simple, very chill. I don't think there is anything super special about them. I like the way they look. It's a lot of gray, honestly. If that's what you're into, then it's good. I looked at the other models, and I honestly like these NASA ones more than the normal ones. Like, it depends on the colorway, of course, but like there was kind of a limited amount of colorways available when I was buying these. I was buying these at the beginning of the Ultraboost 5.0, and basically the Ultraboost 4.0 was actually priced higher for some reason, so I'm not really sure about that. They have a Artemis logo and then an image of Artemis on them. And yeah, when I take out the insides, you can see that the insoles have a little NASA logo on them. I'm gonna show that in a bit. Yeah. So on the inside you can see, I guess that's the surface of the moon and then a NASA logo, which is honestly kind of cool. Overall, these Ultraboost shoes are built really nice and they are so comfortable, like wow. These are probably the most comfortable shoes I ever had. The problem with them is like if you don't get the size like super correct, which for me these fit very well, but basically the top mesh at the front is a bit like it's not that resilient, I guess. And I ended up like tearing them there after not like long, basically after a few months, maybe like half a year, I ended up breaking them, which was actually really sad. They just kind of like, I didn't do anything special with them. It's just the fabric on the front, which is like sock-like. It just ended up like, I don't know. It's just kind of sad. But I contacted Adidas about it, and they were very cool with it, and they said like they are sorry about it. It's probably malfunctioned with your shoe, and they refunded me for it. But I'm honestly not sure if it was like specific to my shoe. I don't have any pictures of it right now, but basically the mesh in the front ended up tearing. I guess it's because they were like, you can see my toe kind of hitting the front of them. But I saw more people had these issues with Ultraboost shoes, but I think it really depends from person to person. Overall, if that didn't happen, these are so comfortable. I love the way they look. Well, they don't look the best, they look a bit kind of normalish. There is nothing too fancy about them, but that's kind of a good thing sometimes. And they are really comfortable. That's the main thing about Ultraboosts. They fit really well, and yeah, I went back to a bit of a cheaper sneaker afterwards, and honestly these were so much better. They don't have any like hard parts. Everything is super soft and feels super comfortable. Like not just the sole, but also like the upper. It's all just like wearing like weird socks, I guess, or something. I even love the support on the back. Like it's not super restrictive. It's just at the bottom, and yeah. Thanks for watching the video. I just thought I would make this one if someone really cares. Like I remember when I was buying these, I was looking for videos on them and I couldn't really find anything, so yeah. Hopefully this helped you, and yeah, definitely thanks for watching.